bumper. There's a bear getting off. I'm gonna have to do some cutting. I'm gonna have to remove this bracket. Cut here, this piece off here, and then I'm gonna have to cut this at an angle on both sides. Vacuum pump bracket off. This part cut off. Both sides. Crash bar cut on an angle on one side. Still got to do this side. Gotta cut it like that. Ready for assembly. Cut, had to cut here, here, remove the vacuum pump bracket, trim the crash bar at an angle, both sides, it's all painted, wait for the paint to dry, then put the winch plate in. Winch plate on. Vacuum pump bracket instructions were very clear, but got it.